What have you seen out here with the flooding today? Anything extraordinary?
Right now,
Yeah.
I let San Felipe over on the other side over there. There's already water coming across the road there.
Oh, okay.
I just was there a few minutes ago.